A super simple and quick recipe that everyone will love. Let's start by preparing a simple sauce. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Mix well until you get a smooth and creamy sauce. The secret here is to blend everything really well so the flavor stays perfectly balanced. Now take 3 buns and carefully open the center of each one, creating space for the filling. Go slowly so you don't tear the bread, and make sure the filling sits nicely inside. Take this moment to imagine the final result. That warm, fully loaded, irresistible sandwich coming out of the oven. And tell me, where are you watching from? I'll send you a shout out in the next video. After opening the buns, transfer them to a baking tray. With the buns in place, it's time to start filling them. Add some of the mayonnaise and ketchup sauce inside each bun and spread it well on the bottom. This step guarantees flavor from the very first bite. Now for the hot dog sausages. Take 3 hot dog sausages and place one inside each bun. On top of the sausages, add a little more sauce, spreading it gently. Now place slices of mozzarella on top. Don't rush this step. Imagine the cheese slowly melting and covering the filling with that irresistible flavor. To make it even more special, add crispy potato sticks to taste, creating a crunchy layer that contrasts perfectly with the soft filling. And to finish, add a little more mozzarella on top, because when it comes to flavor, there's no such thing as too much cheese. Now place the tray in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 minutes. And it's ready! Your oven-baked hot dog is finished. Now it's time to serve. Warm, creamy, fully loaded, and with that irresistible aroma filling the entire kitchen.